So ayun ang mga sports game 1 ng FIBA 3x3 Manila Challenger 2026. SJ Del Monte, Philippines Team 3, Fuengirola, no, sa bansang Spain. Napakagandang matchup nito mga sports kasi literal na init-init ng ating mga batang player ng Team 3 ng Pilipinas, no, especially ang SJ Del Monte. Pero sadly to say, isa lang po ang pwedeng manalo. Halika tignan natin mga sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
San Juan Del Monte gets the first. Sostomo 23. Familiar 3 Vega on the roll. Vega, nice spin and puts it up, misses. Vega picks to Juanlu Tebrian. Shot from Arola at 38. Nice pass to FIBA 3x3 or 3x3 for that matter. Caballero has it top of the key. The blast lost it, got it back and put Fuengirola. Torcula spots up, got it. Very Fuengirola team. Juanlu on the cut, beautiful play. Crisostomo gets away. Crisostomo the bump, puts it up, misses, but that's how they want to be known as. Down by one, and one beautiful shot. Entry passing by Fuengirola, nice spin by Caballero and a loose ball, and that's going to be a foul on Caballero. But there. Osarere, the highest ranking. Guarded kindly by Crisostomo, the switch. Vega for 2. Got it. Torculas making a move. Ball taken away. Behind the back pass by Febrian. Monte. 4 points for Caballero. He is the leading scorer. Caballero trying to make a move. FIBA World Cup. 3x3 cut by Crisostomo, beautiful, but the block to Caballero. Nice inside-out dribble for Caballero, and down by 4. 3 camping out inside. Caballero guarded by the tall Vega. Nice cut by Torculas, but he lost it, picked it up, but now he's deep. Vega committed the foul, so shot Torculas, 22. UPIS in high school, went to UP, now plays for San Beda 2 of the NCAA. Oh, nice catch again. Tebrian the inbound to De Blas. A much smaller lineup for Fuengirola without Vega. Osarere gets inside. The layup rims out, but De Blas picks it up. Wild shot, battle for the. Osarere inside. Fuengirola leading by 4. Good job. The FIBA 3x3 Challenger Series, and we are in the qualifying stage for now. To the Nick from outside, that's short. Nice tip by Caballero, and oh, but nice cut. Torculas lays it in. Torculas has scored the last 3 points. But a big.
So ayun ang mga sports, napakagandang matchup between SJ Del Monte versus Fuengirola, no, sa bansang Spain. Pero sadly to say, di nila kinaya ang kanilang game 1. Anong masasabi niyo mga sports ang sa kanilang gameplay today? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong uploads. So paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!